Royal Enfield has launched the highly anticipated tubeless wire-spoked wheels for the Himalayan 450, adding 11,000 rupees to the bike's price. The updated model is now priced between 2.96 lakh and 3.09 lakh rupees. The tubeless wheels are accessible to both new buyers and existing Himalayan owners. Customers can opt for the new wheels through the Make It Yours program online or purchase them as genuine motorcycle accessories at Royal Enfield dealerships across India for 12,424 rupees, starting from October 3, 2024. The base variant Kaza Brown is now priced at 2.96 lakh rupees. Pricing for the mid-spec variants, Slate Poppy Blue and Slate Himalayan Salt, are set at 3 lakh rupees, while the top-spec models, Comet White and Hanley Black, are priced at 3.04 lakh and 3.09 lakh rupees, respectively. The Himalayan 450 retains the same wheel size and specifications as the previous tubed versions, featuring a 90/90 R21-inch tire at the front and a 140/80 R17 tire at the rear, with the front now upgraded to a radial design. Braking is managed by ventilated discs, with a 320mm at the front and a 270mm at the rear, complemented by switchable dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety and control across various terrains. Mechanically, the Himalayan 450 remains unchanged, powered by Royal Enfield's first liquid-cooled engine. The 452cc single-cylinder engine delivers 39.5 brake horsepower at 8,000 rpm and 40 Nm of torque at 5,500 rpm, paired with a new 6-speed gearbox. The bike boasts advanced features including ride-by-wire technology, 3 riding modes, and a slip-and-assist clutch for smoother gear shifts. For tech-savvy riders, the Himalayan 450 is equipped with a 4-inch full-color TFT display that offers smartphone connectivity, allowing access to telemetric data, Google Maps for navigation, and media controls. A USB-C charging port adds to the convenience, making it an ideal companion for long journeys. If you enjoyed this update on the new Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 and want to stay informed about the latest in motorcycles and automotive news, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and ride safe.